The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco is a financial self-help book that challenges conventional wisdom about wealth building and offers a unique perspective on achieving financial freedom. DeMarco argues that the traditional path to wealth, often referred to as the slow lane, which involves saving, investing, and patiently waiting for retirement, is fundamentally flawed. Instead, he advocates for the fast lane approach, which is centered around entrepreneurship, innovation, and creating businesses that generate substantial income quickly. Here is a summary of the key concepts and principles from the book. 1. The sidewalk, slow lane, and fast lane. DeMarco categorizes people into 3 financial categories: the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane. The sidewalk represents those who live paycheck to paycheck with no financial plan. The slow lane includes individuals who follow conventional wisdom, save diligently, and hope to retire comfortably in their 60s or 70s. The fast lane is for those who seek financial independence much sooner through entrepreneurship and wealth acceleration. 2. The slow lane's limitations. DeMarco criticizes the slow lane approach for its inherent limitations. He argues that it relies on factors beyond one's control, such as market conditions, investment returns, and time, making it a risky and slow path to wealth. He emphasizes that time is the most valuable resource, and waiting for decades to become wealthy is not an optimal strategy. 3. Wealth equations. DeMarco introduces the wealth equation as a fundamental concept. It is expressed as wealth equals net profit plus asset value. He emphasizes that instead of focusing solely on reducing expenses, individuals should focus on increasing their net profit by creating and scaling businesses while building valuable assets. 4. The sense framework. DeMarco introduces the sense framework, which stands for control, entry, need, time, and scale. This framework helps entrepreneurs evaluate business ideas and opportunities. Control. Having control over your business and financial destiny is crucial. Avoid situations where others dictate your income or decisions. Entry. Choose business sectors with low barriers to entry or those that can be disrupted. Need. Businesses that address fundamental human needs are more likely to succeed. Time. Aim to minimize the time it takes to generate wealth. Scale. Build businesses that can scale rapidly and generate substantial income. 5. The commandment of need. DeMarco stresses the importance of addressing real human needs with your business ideas. Solutions that solve significant problems or meet essential needs have a higher chance of success. 6. The commandment of entry. Look for opportunities with low barriers to entry or areas where you can disrupt existing markets. Avoid industries that are oversaturated or heavily regulated. 7. The commandment of control. Maintain control over your business and financial decisions. Avoid situations where external forces can dictate your income or success. 8. The commandment of time. Minimize the time it takes to achieve financial success. Traditional retirement planning that spans several decades is considered inefficient in the fast lane approach. 9. The commandment of scale. Build businesses that can scale rapidly, allowing you to multiply your income exponentially. 10. The fast lane roadmap. DeMarco outlines a 5-step roadmap for achieving fast lane wealth. The roadmap to wealth. Understand the principles and mindset of the fast lane approach. The fast lane business. Learn how to create a scalable, profitable business. The fast lane process. Develop systems and processes that generate income efficiently. The fast lane distinctions. Understand key differences between fast lane thinking and traditional financial advice. The fast lane lifestyle. Enjoy the benefits of financial freedom and a life less constrained by money worries. 11. Building wealth accelerators. DeMarco discusses various wealth accelerators, including real estate, entrepreneurship, intellectual property, and the stock market. He advises leveraging these tools to increase income and create wealth. 12. Wealth and happiness. The book emphasizes that money is a tool for achieving freedom, happiness, and fulfillment. While wealth alone won't guarantee happiness, it can provide the resources and opportunities to live life on your terms. In summary, The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco challenges conventional financial wisdom and advocates for a fast lane approach to wealth building through entrepreneurship and innovative thinking. DeMarco encourages readers to take control of their financial destinies, create profitable businesses, and accelerate their journey to financial freedom by focusing on the sense framework and the 5-step roadmap outlined in the book. It's a provocative and motivational guide for those looking to escape the traditional slow lane and achieve financial success on their terms.